they psychological also for just facilitative mode and giving them confidence of care from the government. They stay online with them. So it's multilingual also. There are different languages being spoken in Punjab, so they can speak to different operators in their own languages as well. We are re-engineering the infrastructure of that road also. If there are hotspots for accidents and what is the reason, you record the reason, and then we sit together with the teams of our road network, of our communication, and also Safe City, so that we have re-engineered about 55 hotspots of accidents in last 1 year. This is our traffic management system, which we are of course expanding in next 6 months. But this is something that they've really worked hard upon. So the entire traffic flow, the Chief Minister's concern, one of the key concerns these days is the traffic control and management as well. So this is why this was established. So it exactly tells you which spot, what is the situation there, and what is the reason for that congestion, and that is now linked to our traffic police on ground also on the road. So it gives you the live feed from the camera also of that congestion point and all.
So that they can guide the traffic officers what's the cause of congestion and they should remove it immediately. This is how this works.
We have drone surveillance, as I showed you yesterday, on brick kilns, and that's also integrated to our dashboard. That's upstairs. So that's also integrated to our thing. And that's how we will monitor the child working. Now they've done brilliant work, their team, team here, the technology, and we have a complete data center here, back end, and the software, everything. So this is the Child Safety Unit Center, virtual center established by the Chief Minister. Again, this is add-on to the Safe City, where this is the team here working like the women virtual station. So if this is the live dashboard. Next time I will take you to our Child Protection Bureau. They're doing great work, and it's not just the rescue, it's rehabilitation, reintegration, and lots of work that they're doing under the Chief Minister's vision. It's now provincial integration also part of, and they are using our technology, our system for child protection in their province.
Because we have so much of demand from that, then we requested Chief Minister to allow us to have a separate number for other provinces. So we have a separate number and helpline for people calling from other provinces.
And this is the system, again, was established by the Chief Minister because of the child safety focus that she has. So if you look at this wall, this is the Pakistan's first virtual center for child safety, and this is the process that it follows, that there's a source of information that comes from different sources of the child, and then it goes into our system, then there's a responder that we get the calls from, then it's a complete research and recovery process that starts in and kicks in, and then it's FIR investigations, and then the support they get from this unit to locate and to reunite the child and make them safe. This is our letter of appreciation, acknowledgement, your appreciation, and whatever we are doing here as a team under the Chief Minister's vision. We are happy to have you here, and we will inshallah work with you, not just in child labor, bonded labor and this, but also there are many avenues that we can open under her visionary leadership. Once again, welcome you also, and we will keep welcoming you to Pakistan.
You've really touched my heart.
Senior Minister, we, on behalf of the business leaders that accompanied on this trip, we are touched, we are amazed for your diligence, the innovation that you have applied. I think each person's perspective has been radically altered.
I'm an old man, and I was telling my friends, I'm probably never going to see actual action that will occur in my lifetime, but I wanted to come anyways. You've changed that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Exactly.
Raising awareness about, for the industry, for the stubble burning, for the farmers, for people, for citizens. So what we successfully have done, that they become partners with us in this entire initiative, like the citizens of Lahore also in Punjab, that they have to make their air quality better by taking certain steps.